Okay, so this is our little ring scanner, and we have charged this fully, and now we're going to connect it to our tablet. So the first thing I'm going to do, this is a challenge with one hand, is to turn it on using this little tiny switch, and then I'm going to press this button for 8 seconds. Now each one's a little different, but basically they start generally to have, after a few seconds, they start to blink rapidly or change their blink in some way. Each model is slightly different. Now I'm going to go to this tablet. I'm going to pull down, press and hold the Bluetooth, which is the, what the Bluetooth looks like, and we'll do a search for available devices. It may take a second, but this could say something like general Bluetooth, but it has got an icon of a keyboard usually, and we connect to it. Oops, I connected the wrong one. There we go. Connect to general Bluetooth. We're pairing. We'll see how we did. And it says it's connected. So let's see how we did. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the home button on the screen. And after I hit the home button, I can go ahead and hit the apps button here. To test it, I'm going to hit memo. You don't need to test it, but I like to. You may have to say plus memo. There's a plus button on the bottom here, but this is an app from Samsung. And I happen to have a barcode. You can use any barcode you want. Do not use any of the ones from this sheet. Just don't save that sheet, but don't scan them right now. And now I'm going to press this button on the side, which you'll see makes a little laser beam comes out. And this is what we want to see. If I'm going to scan this thing 3 or 4 or 5 times, I want to see that each one is on its own line. That's what I expect to see. And that's what I do see. So that's good. There's a little more setup, and we're going to do that in a second.